What you have tuned in for is another 𝕤𝕤𝕤𝕤 exposed.
In the quest for a better financial future, many consumers turn to credit repair companies, hoping to erase negative marks on their credit reports. However, a common deception lurks in this industry: the promise to remove accurate negative information. Imagine a consumer burdened by overdue payments or a foreclosure, desperate to improve their credit score. They come across a credit repair company that guarantees to wipe away these blemishes, luring them in with the hope of a clean slate. Unfortunately, Andre and his company, Pinnacle Credit Repair, do not fit into this or any other category when it comes to providing good customer service. This false promise can lead to devastating consequences. When consumers pay for these services, they often find themselves misled. The truth is, legitimate credit repair cannot erase accurate information from a credit report. Instead, these companies may resort to illegal tactics, such as filing frivolous disputes or encouraging clients to lie about their debts. This not only violates the law, but can also trigger severe repercussions for the consumer, including legal action. Moreover, the emotional toll can be substantial. Consumers who believe in these false promises often experience heightened anxiety and disappointment when no improvements materialize. As time goes on, their financial situation may worsen, leaving them feeling trapped and disillusioned. The impact extends beyond just a financial loss. It can damage trust in legitimate credit repair services, making it harder for consumers to get the help they truly need. In a world where credit is crucial, it's vital to stay informed. Remember, no one can guarantee the removal of accurate negative information. Approach credit repair with caution and seek legitimate avenues for assistance.